CIET NCERT presents audiobook Kriti, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8.
Page number 88, Chapter 8, Inspiration and Imagination. On the right side at the top of the page, there is given a QR code. When you scan the QR code, you will be able to get additional resources related to the chapter. On the left side top of the page, there is an image of a sitar. Inspiring artists. We may assume that musicians and artists are born with a natural talent or gift, and that they are lucky to be on stage and perform in front of people. But many musicians had to overcome a disability or a difficult circumstance in their lives to achieve success. Ravindra Jain, 1944 to 2015. On the left side of the page is given an image of the great artist Ravindra Jain. Ravindra Jain was a well-known music composer and songwriter who mainly worked in Hindi films. Despite being blind, he became one of India's most loved musicians. He composed music for more than 200 Bollywood films and also composed music for the popular television series Ramayan. Ravindra Jain won the Filmfare Award for the Best Music Director for Ram Teri Ganga Maili in the year 1985 and also performed in hundreds of live and TV shows. Activity 8.1 Artists who overcame challenges. Point number 1. Do you know about any artist in your community, region, or state who is differently abled or had to break barriers to pursue their passion? Point number 2. Learn about artists like Ghatam Suresh, Vaidyanathan, and Puttaraj Gavai. Point number 3. Find out more about the artist, including where they are from, what is the art form they practice, how they started learning or pursuing their passion, what were the specific challenges they had to overcome. Point number 4. Listen to their music and watch videos of their performance or interviews. Reflect on what you can learn from their lives and share it with your classmates. Page number 89. Musical monuments. Many temples and historical buildings have deep connections with music. Several temple sculptures depict musical instruments being played. Here are few examples. There are 3 images given here. Image number 1 is of Chinnakeshava Temple in Belur, Karnataka. Image number 2 is of Gwalior Fort, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Image number 3 is of Konark Sun Temple, Konark, Odisha. Point number 1. Find out more about how each of these heritage monuments are connected to music. Point number 2. Write a page about each of them. Point number 3. Find out whether music concerts or festivals are conducted in these sites in present times. Page number 90. Musical pillars. Indian temples have a tradition of musical pillars. Due to the material of the stone and the precise carving of the pillar, they produce musical notes when struck, which is indeed a marvelous coming together of music, science, and sculpture. Point number 1. Vijaya Vithala Temple, Hampi, Karnataka. Features 56 pillars that produce musical notes. Point number 2. Airavateshwara Temple, Darasuram or Darasuram, Tamil Nadu. Features a stone staircase that produces different notes when tapped. Point number 3. Padmanabha Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Features: carved stone, Kerala pillars that produces musical notes when struck. How do these pillars work? On the right side of the page, there are given 3 images. The first image is of Airavateshwara Temple, Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu. The second image is of Vijaya Vithala Temple, Hampi, Karnataka. The third image is of Padmanabha Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Point number 1. The pillars are made of resonant stone that vibrate at clearly audible frequencies. Point number 2. They are often hollow and have varying densities, allowing different frequencies to be produced. Page number 91. Activity 8.2. Explore a music institution. Point number 1. Do you know a local music school or venue? If not, try searching online or asking family and friends. Point number 2. Find out more about what this institution does. Do they conduct music classes? Do they organize concerts? What other activities take place in that institution? Point number 3. If you can, visit there and understand more about their activities. Point number 4. You may even discuss with your parents about joining a music class in person or online. On the right side of the page, there is given an image of a group of girls attending a music school in Mysore, India, in the year 1895. Note to the teacher. Point number 1. There may be some music institutions that are in your vicinity. Explore the possibility of taking the students to the institution on a field trip to get a first-hand experience of a music environment. Point number 2. Have you heard of subpoint number 1, Shillong Chamber Choir, and subpoint number 2, Chhattisgarh Bastar Band, or any other traditional indigenous band being played in India? Record how you felt after listening to them. Research on other communities who have orchestral or vocal bands. There is an image given at the bottom of the page of a male teacher with a book. Page number 92. Imagining my future. Over this year, we have explored a lot of different ideas about the elements of music, instruments, songs, and emotions. We have also been inspired by the lives of musicians and legends. You can be successful too, with focus and dedication, and contribute to building a stronger nation. Let us spend some time imagining your future. On the left side at the bottom of the page is given an image of tribal folk art depicting playing of indigenous musical instruments. Activity 8.3. Report on your future self. Write a newspaper article about yourself, meaning in the third person point of view, 20 years from now. Before you start writing, think and note down points for the following. Whatever career you have selected. Point number 1. What are some of your major accomplishments? Point number 2. Contribution of music or any other art form in your personal life. Point number 3. What is the milestone event you would like to report? Point number 4. What do you like to do at present? Point number 5. Any other interesting details about your personal life? Point number 6. Your future dreams. If you need some inspiration, look at the biographies and achievements of the people you admire. Remember, you have the power to make this world a better place. Create a draft using these points and then think of an eye-catching deadline. Write a final article of 400 to 500 words in length and post it on your class notice board. Extension activity. Think of how media and reporting may evolve in the future. If you prefer a podcast, a short form video, or a blog to a newspaper article, try one of those formats. Page number 93. Activity 8.4 Musical Autobiography. A musical autobiography uses music to tell the story of one's life. To do this activity, follow these steps. Think about your life so far and note down some important details you want to share, like where you were born, something about your family, the interesting things you have done, your hobbies, and anything else you want people to know about you. For each of these details, identify a piece of music that represents what you would like to convey. Write a few sentences on how this song is relevant to your autobiography. Share the songs and descriptions with the class. On the left side of the page at the bottom is given an image on my way to become a drummer. There are 4 students playing percussion instruments. Extension activity. Take events from your personal history and write song for your musical autobiography. Think about the lyrics, melody, and its arrangement, and how they support the story. On the right side of the page at the bottom is given an image of students playing and singing. It states, stepping into the rhythm of an ensemble of orchestra and choir. Page number 94. Assessment. Chapter 8. Inspiration and Imagination. There is a table given with 5 columns and 3 rows. The first column is CG, the second column is C, meaning competency. Third column is learning outcomes, fourth column is teacher, and fifth column is self. Column number 1, CG, 2. Column number 2, C, competency, 2.2. Learning outcomes. Ability to use music to tell a personal story. Next row, CG 3, competency 3.2. Learning outcomes. Reflects on a musical performance or a visit to a musical institution. Next row, CG 4, competency 4.1. Engages with music in contemporary genres and by contemporary artists. Column number 4, teacher, and column number 5, self, are blank and to be filled up by yourself. Teacher's comments and students' observations fill in the blanks. Chapter number 8 ends here.
Kriti, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8. Narration Richa Jain. Sound recordist Mohammad Faizan Khan. Assistance in production Mukul Singh. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.